Hey, I'm teaching you the Michael Jackson tunes from the Dangerous album. This one is She Drives Me Wild. The song is kind of C#70. I say kind of because it goes to the minor 7 as well. And the melody note that you hear on like a synth is going ba-da, which is why we have that major 7. Why we have that major 3rd for the verses. So there's your C#7. I'm just going to move it down a bit, maybe play it here, put the 7 at the bottom, and you can have that melody going. She's got the look, she's so fine, and you know damn well the girl will be mine. Or you could just hold down the chords. She's got the breaks, she's a scene, and you know damn well she gives it to me. Black jeans and a turtleneck sweater. I know the girl is faking cause I've seen her look better. She composition, she is statistical fact. Got it ready for the wheeling, got it kicking in the back. Alright, that's the verse, and it just stays on that chord really, C#7 with the ba-da. Now, got it kicking in the back, we go to a new section, the chorus. She's got the look, and I wanna know better. She's got the look, she's driving me wild. She's got the look, and I wanna know better. She's got the look, and she's driving me wild. That's the chorus, right? Minor 7 on C#, C# minor 7. I just played it a bit lower, starting on the 5th. That's the shape I used. And then we got A# minor 7, flat 5, which is there. That would be A# minor 7. The flat 5 would be an E, so she's got the look, oh she's got the look, I wanna know better. The next one's only one note different. Just change that B flat at the bottom to an A, and you got A major 7. But if you play an F# in the bass, it's F# minor 9. She's got the look and she's driving me wild. You could stay on that chord or go back to the B flat minor 7 flat 5. She's got the look, she's driving me wild. She's got the look, I wanna know better. That was the first one again. Minor 7 on C#, and then A# minor 7 flat 5. Wanna know better. She's got the look, F# minor 9, G#7 dominant, a bluesy chord. She's driving me wild. Come to the place, shocked to see. You know damn well you know what I mean. Hot in the face, 1 and 3, like a pleasure trip like you've never seen. Back to the verse. Satin lace and a paisley cut top. The girl is wasting over and she knows she looks hot. She got position, she knows what it takes. Got a mojo in her pocket, got it ready just in case. She got the look, she's got the look, wanna know better. She's got the look, she's driving me wild. I think there it's actually better to just stay on the F# minor 9. And you could even put an 11 on top, which is a B natural, if you can reach. I've got big hands. She's driving me wild. Back to the C# minor. She's got the look, I wanna know better. She's got the look, she's got the look, she's driving me wild. And we go to the rap now. The rap stays on G#7. Please no, keep back, I just can't take it. You're driving me wild and I might not make it. We went to C# minor 7 there. You got me looking like buckwheat, ooh, buckwheat. You got me looking like buckwheat, ooh. Hair blows every which way but me. Far from a distance, you look so deadly. Your walk is soft, did I hear the medley? F# minor 9. Oh, it's like a temple that cramped my style. Oh, it's like a temple that does cramp my style. She drives me wild. She's got the look. Back to the groove. Ba-dum, ba-dum. she's got the look. And then we go to the chorus again. She's got the look, I wanna know better. She's got the look, she's driving me wild. She's got the look, and I wanna know better. She's got the look, she's driving me wild. How could we spice that chord up? We could play G#13. She's got the look and she's driving me wild. But that might be a little crazy, that's a jazzy chord. Dominant 7 is fine. She's driving me wild. She's got the look. And it goes around that a few times to fade out. I wanna know better. She's got the look. She's got the look. She's driving me wild. She's got the look. Fades out on that chorus. So that's the whole song for She Drives Me Wild. The next one I've got on here is Remember the Time, but I've covered that already on the channel. Either way, there's always the next one. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you click like and subscribe to the channel and check out the Roland FP-30X. If you need to get a piano. This is a pretty good one, I think. Had it a few years, and the links to it and my other music gear will be in the description and the pinned comment. Cheers, see you in the next one.